To invite a user on the Chili GraFx platform, go to User Management and click Invite Users on the right-hand side. Enter the email address of the user you'd like to add. You may also select a user group, one or more environments, and roles for each environment. Click Invite User. If you search for the user, it will say Pending Invitation below their email address. This means the user has not logged in yet. The user will then get an email inviting them to Chili GraFx. They will be asked to reset their password, log in, and enter their first and last name. Once they've logged in, they'll have access to the environment they've been assigned with a particular access level. In this case, End User and Environment Admin. On your side, you'll see that their status is marked Active.